Little storyteller.
Professor Guppy, a friendly man with big, round goggles and a bright yellow diving suit, climbed into his little yellow submarine. "Ready for an adventure, Bubbles?" he chuckled, patting the shiny glass dome. Bubbles, the mini-sub, hummed happily in response. Today, they were going to find the legendary Giggling Geyser. Down, down, down they went, through the clear blue water. Colourful fish with stripy fins and sparkly scales swam by, waving their tails. Professor Guppy waved back, his smile wide. They passed swaying seaweed forests and coral castles in shades of pink and orange. Then, in the distance, Professor Guppy spotted something amazing. A stream of colourful bubbles was floating upwards, and they sounded like tiny giggles. "There it is, Bubbles! The Giggling Geyser!" he exclaimed. Bubbles, the mini-sub, gently landed near the geyser. It wasn't a tall, erupting spout like on land. Instead, it was a collection of little holes in a patch of bright pink coral, each one releasing a steady stream of shimmering bubbles. Some were blue, some were green, some were even rainbow-coloured, and every single one made a soft, happy hee-hee or ho-ho as it floated away. Professor Guppy watched, mesmerised, as a little seahorse with a curly tail swam up to a big green giggling bubble and nudged it gently. The bubble wobbled and then floated towards a grumpy-looking crab hiding under a rock. When the bubble popped near the crab, it made a tiny tee-hee sound, and surprisingly, the crab's eye stalks wiggled, and a small smile appeared on his face. Professor Guppy realised something wonderful. "Bubbles," he said. "These giggling bubbles aren't just funny, they're happy. They seem to make everyone around them a little bit happier too." He watched as more sea creatures gathered around the geyser, chasing the colourful, giggling bubbles and smiling. A school of little silver fish swam through a cluster of rainbow bubbles, their movements looking like a joyful dance. Professor Guppy smiled. "It seems the Giggling Geyser teaches us that even something small and silly, like a bubbly giggle, can bring joy to everyone around, and sharing a little bit of happiness can make the whole world feel brighter." He gave Bubbles another pat. "Now let's head back up, with our hearts full of giggles." Bubbles hummed happily, and together they floated upwards, leaving the Giggling Geyser to continue its joyful work in the deep blue sea.
Please subscribe. Thank you.